Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best next level tools that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Ike Laser Level Line Tool. This multi-purpose laser level is designed for anyone who values precision, whether you're hanging shelves, aligning tiles, or laying out picture frames. Its standout feature is the combination of a laser level and an 8-foot measuring tape with both imperial and metric units. This makes it a versatile solution for quick measurements and alignments, especially for indoor use. It features 3 modes: vertical, horizontal, and cross-line lasers, giving you flexibility for different scenarios. In terms of design, the Ike laser level is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around your workspace. The laser functionality is powered by batteries, which are included in the package. While its build quality feels durable, the use of ABS plastic might not withstand heavy-duty work environments. That being said, its accuracy is impressive for casual home improvement tasks. And the bright red laser is easy to see indoors. However, it may struggle in well-lit areas or outdoors. The Ike is ideal for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want an affordable yet functional tool for light-duty applications. However, professionals working on large-scale projects might find it limiting. Pros include its built-in measuring tape, multifunction laser, and ease of use, while the cons are its limited durability and lack of outdoor usability. For the price, though, it's a solid entry-level option. Coming in at rank 4, we have the Saker Multifunction Foldable Level. With its unique foldable design, this leveler tool offers unparalleled portability and versatility. Whether you're leveling stairs, measuring pipe angles, or working in tight spaces, the Saker can adapt to your needs. It comes equipped with 4 highly visible blue acrylic vials for precise measurements at various angles, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. The standout feature here is its foldable design, which allows you to collapse the level into a compact rectangular block for easy storage. Built with a high-quality aluminum profile, ABS connectors, and TPR end caps, this tool offers a great balance of durability and lightweight construction. The foldable mechanism feels sturdy, and its multi-angle functionality gives you flexibility for tackling a wide range of tasks. However, its folded design may feel a bit bulky for some users, and the 28-inch length might be overkill for smaller applications. This level is ideal for woodworkers, contractors, or anyone who needs a versatile tool for complex measurements. Pros include its portability, precision, and multi-angle flexibility. On the downside, it's not as compact as traditional Torpedo levels and might be excessive for simple tasks. Nonetheless, for users who value versatility, the Saker foldable level is a great choice. At rank number 3, we have the Duratech 3-piece level tool set. This bundle includes 3 magnetic levels in different sizes: 2.5 inches, 6.25 inches, and 8 inches. Each level features multiple high-visibility bubbles for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees measurements, making it a versatile option for a wide range of applications. The V-groove design adds stability when working on rounded surfaces, such as pipes, while the rare earth magnets provide a strong grip for hands-free operation. The build quality of these levels is outstanding, thanks to their aluminum alloy construction. They're lightweight but durable, with shock-absorbing features to withstand daily wear and tear. The large viewing windows make it easy to read the bubbles from multiple angles, and the inclusion of both SAE and metric scales adds to their practicality. However, the smaller size of the 2.5-inch level might limit its usability for larger projects. This set is perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who need a comprehensive leveling solution. The pros include its versatility, durable construction, and strong magnetic grip. On the downside, the smaller levels might not be as useful for larger tasks. Overall, the Duratech set delivers excellent value for anyone looking for precision and variety in one package. In the number 2 spot, we have the Eurasisto 2-pack Torpedo level. With two 9-inch levels in the package, this set offers great value for money. Each level includes horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree bubbles, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The bright green acrylic vials are easy to read, and the top view feature ensures you can check alignment from multiple angles. The levels are constructed with aluminum alloy and ABS plastic, striking a balance between durability and lightweight convenience. The magnetic edge allows you to attach these levels to metal surfaces, which is a big plus for hands-free operation. While the build quality is decent, it might not hold up under heavy-duty professional use. However, for home improvement projects, it performs admirably. This product is ideal for DIYers who want a reliable and affordable leveling tool. The pros include the value of getting 2 levels in one package, easy readability, and a strong magnetic grip. The cons are its limited durability for professional use and lack of advanced features. Overall, the Eurasisto 2-pack is a fantastic mid-tier option for most users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.